Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Friday, March 24th. Here's our general disclaimer. Give it a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here, looking at tick US model, thing to know today is, we had massive consolidation over this last week, looking for a move one way or another. Got the waterfall down this afternoon. Cumulative tick is now trending lower, railroad tracks lower, short term and long term. Filter tick certainly did support the action that we did see, and new lows significantly outpaced new highs. Tick ARCX model, same action we saw today. Waterfall down day after a nice trend upward, railroad tracks higher. Did see a rollover today. We've been talking about, kind of the mismatch between the US and the ARCX model. That divergence was something to note. Typically, we do see these align when they are trending higher or lower. That disconnect kind of had us pausing a little bit, and lower we went. Longer term moving average is also trending lower. For the avoidance of doubt, we have no signals turned on right now. Going down to the SPY Gamma dashboard from this morning, one thing to note was pretty much all the call delta that was there yesterday disappeared this morning. 400 big level to the upside. It's been a big level for, I don't know, it seems like a couple months now. Failed right at 399 400 level. Back down we went. Big level to the downside is negative GX at 390. Now going on to the single stocks, we have SPY, SPX, and QQQ. Thing to note on SPY, when we were voiced this morning, we were really talking about this consolidation on the open right around 0 gex. We did have the trend higher. I just used some simple moving averages. However, these simple moving averages with the cumulative tick kind of gives me a good sense of intraday direction. So I was very keen on this consolidation with a breakout higher, just given the trend of the morning that we did have. Got the breakout. Again, we can see the trend flip intraday. Did see that with the cumulative tick as well. Then a beautiful opportunity here at 0 gex, breaking a retest, trend lower. Admittedly, I was looking at QQQ, similar setup. Honestly, would have been easier on SPY because we had a gamma level there. So the shame on me for not looking at that, but still caught the move just on a different instrument. One thing I want to point you guys to is this Twitter post that I just posted a couple of minutes ago, just comparing SPY and Microsoft, just showing that using the levels they correspond both to the index level and the individual stock level as well. Microsoft offered a couple good opportunities that corresponded with key SPY movement around 0 gex. So if you haven't had a chance, please give that a look. Now looking at our 5 p.m. run. Again, this is our best guess until we have the data for tomorrow. SPY, SPX, QQQ, same setup. So SPY right in between COTMP and negative trans. SPX, same setup, and Q's quite a lot of range between COTMP and COTMC, and P trans up there. So tomorrow, what does that mean? Really not looking to operate within this range. I want to see some type of interaction with one of these levels, and from there, obviously you're going to want to see what the trend in the market is, and we will proceed from there. But anything we do, try to do it on voice or streaming to the best that we can. Liquidity stocks, I think these look pretty interesting as well. So we have Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Nvidia. Apple right in between plus GEX, COTMP, Microsoft in between PTrans and plus GEX. Tesla in between 0 gex PTrans, and Nvidia between COTMP and plus GEX. Again, all of these offer what I think could be really good opportunities. We just need price to cooperate, interact with our level. For instance, Tesla looking for some kind of interaction with 0 gex, and assuming, well, I mean, honestly, the trend is lower after today, so I'm really trying to look for downside moves. However, if we get some kind of intraday trending higher, then maybe a 0 gex to P-trans move would be something worth looking at. However, maybe we get a little pop in the morning around plus gex, and then given the trend of the overall cumulative tick, and would be looking for a downside play to COTMP. So again, just need to see how price opens up tomorrow. And again, just hitting on more liquidity stocks. We have Google, we have Amazon, we have Netflix, and AMD. So look at those at your leisure. And with that, best of luck tomorrow. We'll be on tomorrow morning, posting updates and in voice and streaming. So with that, have a good night and talk to you tomorrow. Bye.